Are you also managing a tea shop? Then this video is definitely for you, because today I am going to show you how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for your tea shop business. So as an owner of a tea shop, I am receiving multiple messages regarding the flavors and blends of different teas and menu. Therefore, I have decided to automate this entire process to handle all my WhatsApp messages with the help of a WhatsApp chatbot that I am going to create without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing chatbot step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen, everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for tea shop business. So here, as an owner of a tea shop, I am receiving multiple inquiries from my customers and clients related to different flavors and blends of the tea which we are offering from our shop, and also they are browsing for the menu, special offers, much more. Handling each of these inquiries of multiple clients and customers is definitely a time-consuming task, and also some of the messages of customers could be missed. Therefore, here I have decided to automate this entire process with the help of WhatsApp chatbot, and here my WhatsApp chatbot is going to handle all the messages, all the inquiries which I am receiving for my tea shop from customers. Also, it is going to automate responses 24/7 in order to engage my customers and improve my productivity as well as sales. Now, how this flow, how this automation is going to actually work. So I have created a WhatsApp chatbot that is going to work as soon as I'm going to receive a WhatsApp message from my customers regarding any inquiry which they have related to our tea shop. My bot is automatically going to start responding to the messages of those customers, and it will then solve all the queries automatically. So let me first of all show you that how this bot is actually going to work. For that, I will first of all take you towards WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number of my tea shop, and on this number, as a customer, I'm going to send a inquiry message. So let's say the message is, "Hello, may I know about the menu of the tea flavors?" As I'm sending this message on my WhatsApp number of tea shop as a customer, I got a reply. "Hi there, welcome to Child Leaf, your favorite tea spot. Before we begin, may I know your name?" It is asking me name. So let me provide a name over here as a customer. Let's say as Amazing Customer, a random name. As I've provided my name, you can see that I got a reply automatically along with my name. "Thanks, amazing customer." So the bot is addressing me with my name. "How can I help you today? Please choose an option below." So here, when I'm going to choose an option from these buttons, let's say special offers, I got another message. "Exciting offers just for you, amazing customer." Again, it is taking my name in the message. "Buy 2 teas and get 1 free. Free delivery on orders above 299. Flat ₹50 off on combo box this week." When I'm going to click on order now button, here it has provided me a message along with a link from where I can order my tea. Okay, so in this way, the flow is actually going to work. Let's start creating this WhatsApp chatbot step by step now. To start with the process, you have to go on a new tab. You have to open your browser, and here you have to type pabbly.com/chatflow, which is going to take you towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, after coming over here, you can find 2 options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, you're going to receive free tasks in order to test this amazing software and to test chatbots as well. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in option. This is all app section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create this WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now. So it has now taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where we can find all the details. Here we have the credits that are allotted to us, the credits that we have consumed, and the credits that are remaining in our account. Also, apart from creating chatbots and creating flow, we have some other amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow as well. As you know, Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool, which is going to help you to automate entire WhatsApp messages, creating templates in the customized format, sending broadcast messages, and much more. So here we have some other features as well, which I am going to explain you in brief one by one. Although we have created separate tutorial videos for each of the features of Pabbly Chatflow in detail. If you want to learn about each of the features in detail, you can just go and watch the videos for each of them from our YouTube channel. Let's start with inbox. So here we have inbox feature, which helps us to manage all our sent as well as received messages at one place. If you're using Pabbly Chatflow for your WhatsApp automation, you do not require every time to open your WhatsApp web or WhatsApp account again to check whether the messages are sent, whether the messages are received. You can check all the messages whether you have sent or received at one place. Apart from this, you can also check the status of the message which you have sent, whether it is sent, delivered or read by your customers. And in this way, you can manage your entire inbox. Then we have the contact section, by using which you can create separate contact list of your customers, clients or leads, and you can send separate messages to separate list with the help of templates. Then we have the team queues, where you can assign chats to your different team members in the round robin method, with the help of which you can just track the performance of your team members, whether the replies are being sent to your customers properly and on time or no. And also it will help you to increase the productivity of your team and the collaboration. Then we have the templates section, where you can create multiple creative templates to be sent to your customers, clients, leads or anyone without any manual efforts. Also you can use media, document, file, etc. while creating the templates to send media message, document message, video message, etc. Then here we have the broadcast section, by using which you can send mass messages to different list of your contacts with the help of customized templates instantly. Then finally we have the flows, that is the highlights feature of this amazing Pabbly chat flow, where we are going to create WhatsApp chatbots for our businesses. So let's start creating a chatbot for our tea shop. To start with the process, first of all, we have to click on this add flow button. A flow is going to be open in front of us, which we have to complete. Basically, flow is going to decide what message should be sent next to your customers on the basis of the response. Okay, so here with the help of the flow, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. First of all, to start with the flow, we have to give a name to the flow. So let's say the name of my flow is Chai Leaf Tea Shop Bot. After giving the name to my bot, now here I'm going to select the keywords by using which I want to start my flow. So as I showed you an example, when a customer is going to send us a message with some keywords, then the bot is going to start responding, because the flow is going to start only when we are going to receive some keywords. So you have to decide those keywords and you have to enter those keywords over here. Let's suppose related to my tea shop, I'm going to receive certain keywords such as hi to start the conversation, hello. How you have to enter the keywords, you will type the word, you will click on enter, it will turn into blue and that will be added as a keyword. Let's say hey, or order, or tea, or let's say chai, let's say price, menu, flavors, or offers, etc. We can add multiple keywords over here according to the possibilities of our business. Now, apart from this, when we have entered the keywords, it might be possible that most of the customers are not going to directly send us these keywords as exact messages, but they are going to send us the keywords in the form of variations such as long text or paragraphs. Okay, but here we need to identify those keywords from those text messages as well, and we have to start the flow. This is our objective. Therefore, we are going to enter such keywords in the form of regex. So basically, regex is regular expressions which helps us to identify the keywords from long paragraphs, long text in the dynamic format of the messages which we are receiving from our customers, clients, leads or anyone, and it is going to start the flow automatically after matching the keywords. So there is a specific format of using regex in your flow. So you have to enter /b, you have to open a bracket like this, and you will start entering your keywords which you want to use in regex. So let's say hello, and you need to separate the keywords with the help of this bar sign. Hello, hi, hey, let's say order, tea, or let's say price, menu, offer. And in the similar manner, as much keywords as you think could be added over here. After you have completed adding all the keywords, you will simply close the bracket, you will enter /b like this, and your regex is ready. Now every time you're going to receive a keyword in the form of messages, direct keywords or long paragraphs, your keywords are going to be identified automatically and the flow is going to start. The bot will start responding to your customers. Apart from this, if in case you are going to receive certain keywords that are case sensitive, you can toggle this case sensitive button on, so it will identify those keywords in any format. Okay, now once we have completed the flow start step, we will save the flow. Keep saving your flow every time you are going to move forward towards the next step to keep it updated. All right. Now, after I have received a message from my customer, then I want to first of all ask the name of my customer, so that further in my communication, I can address the customers with their name to make them more engaged and also to personalize my communication easily. So now here I want to ask the question from my customers. For that, we will go towards action. And here we have ask question feature. So let's just drag it down like this, and I'm going to connect my flow start with ask question. And here I want to ask name of my customer. So the message will be, hi there, welcome to Chai Leaf. I have made the name of my tea shop bold with the help of stars. In a similar manner, you can also customize your messages in the creative format according to your choice, like this, by using different styles, formats, and fonts. Your favorite tea spot. Before we begin, may I know your name? So in order to collect the name of our customers, here I'm going to use custom field that is of full name. So when I'm going to receive the reply from my customers along with their name, those name will be added directly as contacts in our contact custom fields in Pabbly Chatflow. Then further in our communication, we will be able to automatically use the name of our customers to send the messages. Now we need to select the format of the message, that is text. And here if you want to provide the reattempt chance in order to make corrections in the name, you can also provide the number of reattempts and the validation message you want to send along with this reattempt. Okay. Again, once I have received the name of the customer, then further I want to send them a message that what can I help them today. So here I'm going to select text plus button option, and here I'm going to send them a message that is, thanks, full name, how can I help you today? Please choose an option below. So here I want to address the customer with their name now, as I have received their name. So I have used a variable over here along with a dollar sign. This is the contact custom field, as it is I have entered along with a dollar sign. So now when I have used it, it has become variable. It will be changed automatically according to the name which we will receive from our customers. And in this way, the name of the customer will appear automatically in the message which we are sending. Alright, now apart from this, here I am going to send them the options that how I can help them. So in order to send the options, I'm going to use buttons so that customers will be able to directly click on the button. As I've shown you in the example, we have buttons like this. To add the buttons, we'll click on this add button. We will provide the text of the button. So here the first button will be for browse menu. So we have multiple varieties of tea, different flavors, different blend. If they want to browse the menu of our shop, I am going to provide them this button. Okay, again, the second button will be for that if they want to know about the special offers that we are running on our shop on different varieties. And the third button will be for the customized orders. So if the customers want to order something in the customized format, different blend of flavors, etc., they can just click on this button. Now for each of these buttons, I'm going to send separate messages. First of all, let's start with browse menu. If my customer is going to click on browse menu, then they would like to explore the menu of our shop. So in that case, I'm going to send them the menu, and the menu is in the image format. So here I'm going to select media. And now which kind of media you want to send, that is image. If you want to send any video, audio, document, you can select according to your choice. Now to insert the image, here I'm going to use this drag and drop feature. If you want, you can also insert the URL. So I'm going to quickly upload the image from my computer. So I have inserted the image of tea menu. And now as I've inserted the image, along with it, I want to send the caption as well as, here's our delightful tea menu. And now I'm also going to attach a button of order now. So if my customer is going to click on this button after reading the menu of order now, so here I'm going to send them the link that how they can place the order for their tea. So here for that, I'm going to select text plus button message. And here I'm going to send the message regarding the link of the store. You can place your order directly here. I have provided the link as well. Apart from this, if they do not want to place the order, they want to go back. So I'm going to select back to menu. So in case if they want to change their mind, they can go back to the menu and check whether what they want to order. So here I'm going to connect this back to menu button towards the menu message. All right, like this. Now, here we have completed the first part of the flow, that is for the first button. In case if they do not want to place the order, they want to go back, I'm going to select go back over here. And I'm going to connect this go back button with the welcome message which I was sending them along with the options. Okay, so first part is ready. Now we are going to move forward towards the second button, that is for special offers. In case they want to know about the special offers we are running on our store on different products. So I'm going to send them the message as exciting offers just for you. Again, I have used a variable with the $ full name. Buy 2 teas, get 1 free. Free delivery on orders above $299. Here I'm going to make it bold. Flat ₹50 off on combo box this week. Okay, so these are the offers, and here we have entered order now to enjoy your savings. Again, I have included the line to order now, so I'm going to attach another button over here to place the order if the customer wants to place the order in case after reviewing the offers which we are providing. So here the order now button is ready, and I'm going to connect this order now button towards the link which I am sending in order to place the orders. Okay. Apart from this, if the customer is going to click on the third button, that is related to custom order. So in that case, I'm going to send them another message that will be, got a special request, full name. Again, I've used a variable. For bulk or gift boxes order, feel free to call us at this number. So I've provided that number, as well as we'll help you with your custom blends and packaging. Now again, here I'm going to attach another button. If they do not want to place the order, they want to go back, I'm going to add another button so that the customers could go back towards the option section. Now here my flow is ready. As you can see, I have inserted the messages for each kind of button according to the requirements of each of the customer. When they are going to click on the buttons, according to the button, the message will be sent to them. Alright, so here you can see that our flow is ready. Now once we have completed this flow, our bot is ready. So let's summarize what we have done. Actually, we have started the flow with some keywords. When we will receive the messages along with the keywords, flow is going to start, bot will start responding to the customers. First of all, it is going to send them a welcome message and ask their name. Once we will receive their name, we are going to further communicate along with their name. So here, then we are going to send them the menu, what they want to explore. If in case the customer is going to click on browse menu, we are providing them the menu along with the order link. If they want to explore the special offers, I'm sending them another message along with the offer details. And if the customer is going to click on custom order button, we are providing them the details of the contact person to whom they can call and place order for the custom products. All right, so the flow is ready. Let's quickly save the flow. And now once the flow is ready, I'm going to take you back towards WhatsApp and you will check whether the flow is running fine or not. So I've cleared the previous chats, and now as a customer, I'm going to again send a message on my WhatsApp number of T-Shop over here. Let's say the customer is sending the message as, hello, may I know about the new offers? As I have sent this message. As soon as the message is sent, here we have got the reply. Hi there, welcome to Chai Leaf, your favorite tea spot. Before we begin, may I know your name? So again, I'm going to send a name over here. Let's say as new customer. I have provided a random name. It is replying, thanks new customer, how can I help you today? We have the buttons. Let's say I'm going to click on browse menu. As I have clicked on this button, now it is providing me the menu of tea, and here we have two buttons, order now or go back. When I'm going to click on order now button, here we have the order link and the details. When I'm going to click on back menu, then it is taking me back towards the menu. Okay, when I'm going to click on go back, it is again taking me towards the options it has provided earlier. So let's say I'm going to click on special offers. It is providing me with the special offers. When I'm going to click on this custom offer button, let's say. So it is providing me the number where I can call and place the order of my custom products. So in this way, we can see that our flow is absolutely running fine and the bot is also working. So you can create this flow very easily for your tea shop as well. You can add more dynamic fields in this flow to make it more creative and customized. So I hope the WhatsApp chatbot is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but with the help of same logic, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your business needs. So now if you want to contact us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. So now go and create this WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free.